Hi everyone and welcome for today's video. I finally got the time to play around with the pigments that Leslie has sent over to me, and I really could not wait to play with them. These are the primary element pigments and I got a bunch of them. I picked only 3 colors for this first attempt to see how it works. This is the teal Snapdragon and Sunflower, which looks pretty golden. This is more like a purple and this is like a teal. So this is what I'm going for my first attempt, along with the Vivid Polypure, which is the medium that I'm going to mix them in to make my own acrylics. This is my regular mixture. It is the phthalo blue, just to have something to counter the pigments, like a dark color, because they, as far as I know, dry really shiny. So I did not only want to use the shiny ones to have it not too sparkly in the end. I know, strange coming from me. But I wanted something to counteract them, and therefore the dark blue. And some of the white, just to have something popping in contrast. So let's see. First off, I'm going to make my paints. So I'm going to mix this with the pigments in a clean cup. And then we will see where we go from there. I mixed the paints. I'm first going to use my trusted cup tool because I'm pretty sure I can make something pretty with this one. At least I'm most faithful in this. And when I have paint left, I'm going to see what else I can do with them. And in case you wonder, all the instructions are written down on the bottle itself, so you know how it works and how you can mix your paints. So this is readily prepared for you to mix your pigments in. So this of course looks way lighter than it will be in the dried version, as this binder medium is pretty white. You cannot see it on camera, but this is really shiny, as if there are little tiny super fine flakes of glitter in there. It just looks mesmerizing. It's really cool. I wish you could see this in camera, but I'm pretty sure it cannot catch this. So really exciting about these ones. Let's see what a purple does. Okay, this now looks more like a deep blue with a shiny hint of purple, so like metallic purple pigments in there. It's super pretty. I'm not sure if it shows against the dark blue that I'm having here, so perhaps I change my color into a lighter one. We will see. And now for the sunflower, let's see what this changes into. It looks like mica gold, so I think this will turn into something golden as well. So it turned lighter yellow, but when you look at it, it is like ribbons of gold into this. So this is cool. I really cannot wait to see how these pigments look dried. And hopefully they show up as pretty as they look in this cup here. Okay, I'm going to switch my dark blue for the first pour against a lighter version. And for the consistency, by the way, this already is pretty much the consistency I'll normally use anyways. So there's nothing mixed in except for the Polypure medium and the pigments, and it pretty much fits my regular mixture. So this is how it looks here. Hope you can see it. It drips, or it runs down the stick without dripping. It's great. And this is my own mixture. It looks pretty much the same. So it's great. It saves a lot of time. Okay, for the canvas, this was the one that I had to scrape off. Just adding a quick base layer of paint just to allow the paint to run easier. Okay, so let's go with the the light blue and the dark blue also in the outer ring. In the middle ring I'm going to add the teal and the sunflower yellow / gold. Half and half. And in the inner ring I'm going to add a bit of the white. Okay, it should be enough. Okay, this is the tool how it looks like. So dark blue, light blue, yellow, green, and the middle cup is half filled with white. I'm going to pour it this direction so that each of these colors can come out. Fingers crossed. Moving my hands a bit because the white seems to come out pretty massive. Okay, let's see what we can get from here. Okay, I really like. You cannot see it for sure on camera, but these pigments are sitting on top, make it super shiny, and they shimmer in the light. I'm pretty sure you can see it in the end when I'm going to film it in hopefully sunlight. Just going to add a bit of the dark blue here in the corner. Is it lacked a bit of contrast here? Okay, I really love this one. I'm going to scrape up the drip-off paint for the next paintings as a base layer paint, and we apparently were cut off by the camera and I have no idea what I actually wanted to say. Anyways, so this is the end result filmed in sunlight, so sun is shining today, and I really like how these pigments turned out. They are super shiny. I hope the camera can catch it in its beauty, and when I tilt it against the sunlight you can see the veins of the glitter on the painting. Overall, I'm really happy with the result. I like how this one turned out, and yeah, going to play more with these pigments for sure. I can really recommend you try them out on your own. So have a look at Leslie's Facebook, Instagram or YouTube, and have a look at her pigments and give them a try. If you liked the video, please make sure to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so far. And if you want to get in touch with me, all the social media links are down below in the video description. Share with everyone who you think might be interested in watching. And other than that, I hope to see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.